sufficient this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Brian here with another educational tip of the day. So the next element of learning that we're going to talk about is the sociological aspect of learning. This takes in consideration your kids, as well as their friends, as well as any other one that they kind of come in contact with on a regular basis. Now, you're taking them out of a classroom setting that they had a ton of peer interaction with to talk about anything under the sun outside of schoolwork or even help to facilitate in their learning, to now being a one-on-one educational style. Some kids are great at it and learn very well in this style. Others need that interaction or really want to have that interaction and look for you or their siblings to get that interaction. So take that in consideration as well. It's definitely going to be a transition. It's probably one of the harder transitions because they don't get to see their friends that much anymore. And with the new things that have come into place with being in contact with people and gatherings, it's going to become less and less for the time being. So really help with your kids in their social interaction with you as a parent, as well as them and their siblings. Still make time for them to talk on the phone, video chat, whatever it is that they do to get that peer-to-peer interaction. It'll help to keep them focused, keep them driven, and keep them locked in whenever they're doing their learning. And that's your educational tip of the day.